In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video in Elementor, a popular page builder for WordPress that is known for its ease of use and flexibility. Whether you're new to Elementor or just refreshing your skills, this tutorial will guide you through each step with clarity and precision. By the end, you'll have a dynamic video added to your site that can engage visitors and enhance your content. First things first, ensure that you have Elementor installed and activated on your WordPress site. If you haven't done this yet, navigate to your WordPress dashboard, go to the Plugins section, and search for Elementor. Once you've found it, simply click Install Now, and then activate it. With Elementor ready to go, it's time to access the editor. Start by finding the page you want to edit, and click Edit with Elementor. This will open the Elementor interface, where you can see your page in the center and the Elementor panel on the left. Now, let's add the video. In the Elementor panel, look for the video element. You can either scroll down through the Elements section or use the search bar at the top of the panel. Just type in video. Once you've located the video element, drag and drop it onto the section of the page where you want your video to appear. This allows us to visualize the placement and make any necessary adjustments for alignment or layout preferences. Next, let's configure the video settings. Click on the video element you've just placed, and you'll see the options appear in the left panel. Here, you can add your video URL. You can use a link from YouTube, Vimeo, or another video hosting service. Simply copy the URL from your preferred platform and paste it into the link field in Elementor. Doing so will automatically update the video displayed on your page. This built-in feature provides seamless integration with third-party video platforms, ensuring your content remains accessible and secure. Make sure to adjust the settings to your liking. In the left panel, you'll find options such as Autoplay, Mute, Loop, and more. Autoplay starts the video automatically when the page loads, Loop ensures it replays continuously, and muting is handy if your page design calls for a quieter ambience. It's always a good idea to preview these options in real time to find what works best for your audience's browsing experience. Lastly, don't forget to hit Update at the bottom of the Elementor panel to save your changes. This step is crucial to ensure that all your hard work is reflected live on your page. Once saved, take a moment to view your page and test the video. See how it behaves and how well it integrates with the surrounding content. This final inspection can provide insights into any further tweaks you might want to make to optimize the user experience. And there you have it, you've successfully added a video to your page using Elementor. Feel free to repeat these steps for other videos you'd like to add, exploring the various settings to enhance your site's visual storytelling. Thank you for watching, and happy creating with Elementor.